So today we're gonna do a very red pink kind of Valentine's Day look. I don't know, I was just feeling like it was time for me to get out my blood sugar palette, and I am so excited to do something bold and pink and purple, and I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm excited. So we are gonna jump into that, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You're on my channel. Let's get into it. We're gonna start by priming our cheeks. I already primed my nose and put on some moisturizer, but I just like to do this. Now we're going to move on to foundation. I'm going to mix F1 and F0.5 in the Revolution Conceal and Define. And there isn't really a rhyme or reason to how I do this. I just kind of paint it all over my face. I do focus a little extra of the 0.5 in the center of my face if that helps at all. And we're just going to blend it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and put concealer on my lids. I'm not going to put concealer under my eyes just yet, just because I'm working with really bright shades and I'm not sure. So I just wanna be safe, and I wanna make sure my under eye is really bright to balance out such bright pink shadows. Sometimes if you wear pink shadows and you don't have a really bright under eye, it kind of can make you look sick. So I'm trying to balance that. So I'm just gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define again. I love this one for priming my lids. All right, for brows, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Dip Brow. Mine is in blonde. I'm just gonna pop it on really quick. I'll probably speed through this per usual because I feel like it's boring. If you guys want a full brow video, I will of course do that for you. I just started using this after my last makeup tutorial where I used all of my higher end products, and now I'm just like obsessed. I'm gonna prime a little more with a white concealer. This is just the Colourpop one, just because I really want my lids to be bright. For the most exciting part, I'm so excited to hop into this palette. I think we're just gonna set the lid with Glue Close, so we have a clean base. So we're gonna go with Cake Mix. Oh girl, she pigmented. Pigmented. I think we're gonna go in with Root Canal. I know I want to use Coma. Ooh, it's so pretty. Anyone else completely singing Seven Rings in their head all day long, every day? Just me? Now we're gonna take Coma, and I'm just gonna focus that out here and work my way in a little bit just to deepen this outer V and give my eye a little more dimension. I'm gonna bring it in the crease too though. I really want it blown out, so I'm like overly blending nonstop, and then I'll clean it up on the edges. I just want it to be really soft, bold but soft, if that makes any sense at all. We're gonna take a little bit of intravenous and just focus that right out here. Oh girl, yes, there we go. We're getting there now. Okay, we are gonna clean this up. I'm gonna use some, oh, these are body wipes. Oh well. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. I'm going to set my under eyes with this Physicians Formula Mineral Correcting Powder in Translucent. I'm gonna put a little extra on just to help if there's any fallout. It'll make it easier to blend away. I'm a little nervous about this because I've never used a lip liner on my eye, but this is Colourpop Dahlia. And I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eye. I'm just buffing it out a little bit. I'm just gonna start with Cavity. We're gonna pop on a wing. We're gonna use Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black and Revolution Renaissance Flick. I like this one because it's super, super black, but then I also like this one because it lets me get the detail with the really tiny tip on this brush tip. This one's a felt tip, this one's a brush tip. This is just a black liner from Colourpop in Swerve. I'm just going to put that on the outer corner so that my wing connects to my lower lash line. I just feel like it looks better that way, personally. Okay, you guys are probably sick of seeing this glitter liner, but I am obsessed. And I want to add, since this is so matte, I want to add a little bit of bling. I'm going to go over my winged liner with this Colourpop liner from Too Faced in Hey Mr. DJ. I'm obsessed. Oh, I'm obsessed. Words, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and lashes and come right back. These are the lashes that we're gonna wear today. These are the Luellas from Shop Miss A, AOA Studio, $1. So good. I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and contour and then work a little bit more on the eyes, but this is what we're looking at right now. We're gonna use the Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in the middle. We're going with a bold contour today to balance out this eye a little bit. Okay, we're gonna use the Revolution Peachy Keen Heart Blush. I'm gonna use a couple highlights because I can't contain myself. We're gonna start with Strobe Globe just because it's my all-time favorite and I need to use it. Just gonna spritz my brush. And we're gonna lighten it up a little bit with Goddess of Faith. Goddess of Love, Goddess of Faith. Oh, so pretty. I am gonna tap over that with my beauty sponge. It's still damp, and that's going to make it a little more melted into the skin. I am going for like super metallic, so. Ooh, girl, that glow. That glow though. You guys are gonna hate me, but I really just want to do a nude because this eye look is so bold. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I'm gonna use Button, which isn't available anymore, and I'm the worst, but I really want to use it, so I'm gonna line my lips. It's from Colourpop. We're gonna throw it back a little bit and use the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. Dreamy. So if you want to keep it more matte, you can stop with that. I think I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this I Heart Revolution gloss on in chocolate chip cookie dough. All right, love, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know down below what kind of look you want to see. This is kind of my take on a Valentine's Day look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please, hey loves, it's future me. I decided I wanted to give you a couple more lip options with this, so I have a dark red that I'm going to put on. This is Dahlia from Colourpop. Again, I don't know if this is available. I just love Colourpop lippy pencils so much. They just discontinue them so often, but any super dark burgundy is going to be great. I'm just going to quickly line my lips. Okay, and then the lipstick I'm going to use is the Havana Nights from Ofra. I thought this would just be a fun one. It's going to really be matchy-matchy, but it just gives you another option. Okay, so this is what Havana Nights looks like with this eye look. All right, now we're gonna go super dark. We're gonna do a black lip. The only black lipstick that I could find that I own is the Kat Von D Witches. And then this is, ooh, this is used and abused. This is the Colourpop Bold Chic Lippy Pencil. Dark lipsticks always look super weird on me because I have a piercing right there that obviously I don't wear anymore. It's forever uneven. But anyway, this is what Witches looks like if you want a black lip. More of an anti-Valentine's Day look. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. All right, so I am just gonna go, oopsie. Why did it break? Why you do this? Okay, I'm a little nervous about this because I've never put an eyeliner. Sorry. Is this not? Oh, it is working. Okay. Oh my God. I was like, no.